The top focus at this hour comes from the financial capital of the country. In Mumbai, heavy overnight rain has triggered significant waterlogging across different parts of the city, with an orange alert now in effect through the weekend. In fact, the India Met Department has now issued alert for both Mumbai and neighbouring Thane as well, warning of continued intense rainfall in the cities. Meanwhile, the Mumbai police has also posted an advisory on social media urging residents to avoid non-essential travel and to exercise caution while stepping out. We're getting you visuals from Mumbai where rain has caused waterlogging in several parts of the city. Now, according to the advisory issued, Mumbai is experiencing heavy rainfall with an orange alert in effect. Waterlogging and reduced visibility have been reported in several areas. Continuous rainfall also causing disruptions in traffic as well. Now, police say they are on high alert. They're ready to assist, and in an emergency, residents are advised to dial 100, 112 or 103. So these are the numbers one can dial in case an emergency situation arises. Meanwhile, a yellow alert was also issued for Mumbai, Thane and Palghar on Friday, with heavier rainfall expected in Palghar starting Sunday in fact and continuing through August 19th. Other areas including Raigad and Ratnagiri, they all remain under orange alert. This will continue until Tuesday, with forecasters now warning of persistent heavy rain in the region. Now, as of now, officials are closely monitoring the situation. They've urged public to stay informed and also follow the advisories they've issued. Where continuous rainfall has caused waterlogging in several parts. In fact, visuals on your screen, which has in fact caused traffic disruption as well. Remember, overnight rain has triggered significant waterlogging, and right now an orange alert in effect throughout the weekend. The India Met Department. The Met Department has also issued alert for both Mumbai and neighbouring Thane. They've warned of continued rainfall throughout the weekend in fact. And in this case, the Mumbai police, they've also issued an advisory on social media. They've urged residents to avoid non-essential travel and to exercise caution while stepping out. The post, in fact, viewers, it reads, Mumbai is experiencing heavy rainfall with an orange alert in effect. Waterlogging and reduced visibility have been reported in several areas. So basically saying, in case you do not have an emergency, kindly avoid non-essential travel given the situation that exists right now in Mumbai. Now, police say they are on high alert and ready to assist. In fact, they've also put out emergency numbers, that's 100, 112 and 103. So that's for viewers. In fact, in case an emergency situation arises, these are the numbers you can dial to. The police in the area remains on high alert, and this comes after continued rainfall has caused waterlogging in several parts of the city. And in fact, it's not just Mumbai. Close by areas including Thane, Raigad, they've all been experiencing continuous rainfall. In fact, Raigad and Ratnagiri, they both remain under an orange alert. This will continue till next Tuesday. Forecasters have warned of persistent heavy rain in the region as well. You can see the kind of waterlogging that has been witnessing in Mumbai right now. These are the visuals we're getting you from King Circle in Mumbai. Remember, several parts are witnessing waterlogging. These are visuals from King Circle in fact. This comes after continuous rainfall lashing the financial capital. And then of course, waterlogging being witnessed in several parts of the city. We are witnessing traffic disruption as well. Police, they've clearly said if you do not have an emergency, avoid non-essential travel at this point. And they remain on high alert in case an emergency arises. They've also put out few emergency numbers. But this is what one good spell of rainfall has done to the financial capital. And this is what people in Mumbai are waking up to. Heavy rainfall causing traffic disruption. People are facing difficulty to navigate. Remember, this is knee-deep water in several parts of the city. Now, police in the region, it remains on high alert. They've also put out an advisory. But of course, in case you are in Mumbai and you're trying to step out of your house, do practice caution in this case. And in case the travel can be avoided, do avoid non-essential travel. That's what the police is saying as of now. This comes after waterlogging is being witnessed in several parts of the city. In fact, this is what people in Mumbai are waking up to. The morning rush hour has now converted into a difficult time for commuters specifically, as waterlogging is now being witnessed in several parts of the financial capital. The rainfall is causing traffic disruption. These are visuals from Andheri subway. These are visuals from SCLR bridge. We're getting you visuals from different parts of the financial capital, in fact, where continuous rainfall is causing a lot of traffic chaos in the city. Getting you visuals from Milan subway as well. These are visuals from different parts of the financial capital where heavy overnight rain has triggered a significant waterlogging across the city. As of now, an orange alert remains in effect, and this will continue throughout the weekend as well. So which means more rainfall is expected, and therefore police, they've issued an advisory. They've urged residents to avoid non-essential travel and to be on alert, to practice caution. In case an emergency situation arises, they've also put out a few numbers for you in case any untoward situation happens. These are the numbers you can dial, in fact. The numbers are 100, 112 and 103, the emergency numbers. Now we're getting you visuals from different parts of the city. In fact, waterlogging is being witnessed. You can see the commuters having difficulty in navigating through knee-deep water, in fact. So the morning rush hour basically in Mumbai has now turned into a very difficult time for commuters who are finding it difficult to travel from one part of the city to another. This comes after overnight rainfall has now triggered waterlogging in several parts of the city. And this is what people in Mumbai are waking up to. In fact, an orange alert remains in effect in the financial capital, and this will continue throughout the weekend, in fact. Now, the Indian Met Department here has issued the alert for both Mumbai and neighbouring Thane. They warned that continued rainfall throughout the weekend, in fact. The post of the Mumbai police also says that currently the city is experiencing heavy rainfall with an orange alert in effect. Waterlogging and reduced visibility have been reported in several areas. They say that they are on alert, but do practice caution, and in case you can avoid non-essential travel. And it's not just the financial capital, viewers. In fact, yellow alert has also been issued for Thane and Palghar. This was in effect on Friday. And now heavier rainfall is expected in Palghar starting Sunday, which is expected to continue through August 19th. Meanwhile, other areas including Raigad and Ratnagiri, they also remain under orange alert, and this will continue till next Tuesday. Forecasters here have warned of persistent heavy rain in the region, which means it's not just today, the coming days will also be very difficult, specifically for the commuters in terms of traffic chaos that usually such rainfall brings along with it. Now, officials at this point, they are closely monitoring the situation. They have urged public to stay informed and also follow the safety advisories they've issued. As I said before as well, in the case, police have issued an advisory saying practice caution, and in case you can avoid non-essential travel, then do avoid it. We're getting you visuals from different parts of the city. These are visuals on your screen from Andheri subway in Mumbai. You can see how a good spell of rainfall has now caused water logging in several parts. But rescue teams and officials are on alert. They've also put out emergency numbers. These are visuals from Gandhi Market, in fact, on your screen right now. Remember, several areas have been witnessing water logging. Right now, when we talk about the forecast, as of now, orange alert remains in effect, and this will continue throughout the weekend. And in fact, Mumbai is not the only city witnessing this as of now. Fury of monsoons has been on display throughout the country, in fact. Also raises question about the kind of urban infrastructure, how one good spell of shower literally turns the city into a stream. Visuals from Gandhi Market on your screen. This is the top focus at this hour. Mumbai witnessing water logging in several parts of the city, and this comes after heavy overnight rain that the city experienced. As of now, an orange alert remains in place, and this will continue through the weekend, in fact. And the India Met Department has issued alert for both Mumbai and neighbouring Thane as well. They warned of continued intense rainfall throughout the weekend.